I've got a curated box by Fabfitfun. So if you want to see what's in this box, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe and Benya are with me right now, but if you're new, thanks for stopping by. We hope you like it here and decide to stay. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So Fabfitfun offered some curated boxes from their summer selections, which means they took an item from each category and put it together in a box that they themed. They had 4 different boxes and I picked up 2 of them. This was their Endless Summer box. And I forgot what they said that the retail value of this was. I thought I had written it down. I didn't, but I will post that up there for you. But let's go through each category and what we got. Category 1. Now this, I feel like the price on this was rather low for it being a Kate Spade item. Because usually all the Kate Spade items are, like, just for the name, out of this world. So this is a plastic or whatever pitcher with lemons on it, and then inside are 2 cups. They're kind of peach. And I was super excited about this being in this box, or even being a choice, because my daughter loves lemons, and I have been putting aside things for her for when she eventually moves out of my house, so that she doesn't take all my stuff and has her own stuff. So this I'm going to put right back in the box for her. Next, in category 2 by Short Stories, is a ceramic tray. And I was super excited that in the most recent sale, they actually had some coordinating pieces, but I did only get 1 coordinating piece, which was a big serving bowl. But they did have sets of 4 bowls and sets of 4 plates that you could also get. But I don't need more plates or more bowls in my life, but I think a serving bowl to go with this was super cute. So here this is, it's a blue. Now it kind of looked black when you looked at the picture in Fabfitfun, but it did say it was blue, and it definitely is blue, and I really like that for the summer. I like blues and whites for the summer. And then if you were doing something for Memorial Day or for Labor Day or 4th of July, you could fill this with some red berries and have, you know, red, white, and blue. Do some whipped cream, so you could do like some strawberries, some whipped cream, some blueberries, some whipped cream, and then some raspberries, and really have a festive type of platter that you set out without committing to something that's necessarily red, white, and blue for the season. It's a nice way to do that kind of seasonal decor without committing to that particular theme. So I do like that. And one of the things that I really liked about having these options for these curated boxes is it also saved me from having to add these things on that I would have maybe normally added on. So I liked that as well. This was listed as a $40 value, and I think that's pretty spot on. So I think that the picture and this were both very fairly priced. So they weren't like overly priced like, say, the towel. Next, in category 3, is the Isle of Paradise self-tanning butter. It says Hello Golden Glow. I have used their facial, I don't know if it's an oil or a serum that I've added to like my moisturizer, and it worked very nicely. It gave me like a subtle glow without that kind of orangey look. So I was super excited to try this, and I would assume it's going to work as well as the facial one did, which people thought I had been out in the sun. So it did look like a natural glow. This is a $28 value. Now with these types of things, I would always recommend getting one of those big mitts to use so that your hands don't get orangey. And they do sell those. Ulta has their own brand for like $5, so it's not terribly expensive to go out and grab one. In category 4, now the lid is off of this, but it doesn't look like it's lost any product. This is the Brogio Banana and Coconut Soft Wave Texture Spray. I did also get this as a sample with my other Brogio, the Kiwi Superfoods Detangler thing from Ulta, but I gave it to my daughter and I never saw it again. So I can't speak for how well this works, but I can't tell you if she knows either, because I asked her about it and she had no idea what she even did with it. So she took it because it said banana and coconut and was like, I'm all in, because those are my favorite scents. So I don't think she ever actually used it though. Oh, it does smell very much like banana coconut. It reminds me of the Malibu rum scent from back in the day. I don't even know if they still sell that. Okay, found the lid, so disaster averted. That is a $25 value. Next, by Lily Pulitzer, is this little ID case. And these are cute because when you have like those little, like, I have this little pink purse that I got from Watchful, and it doesn't have, like, it has an inside pocket, but it doesn't zipper. So having something like this that I could even kind of clip in there is nice, and to just put like some essentials, and it's going to match it perfectly. And of course, you know, those Lily Pulitzer designs are just so adorable. And this is kind of a vinyl type, so it's going to wash. It's going to be easy to wash off. Not throw it in the wash machine, but to kind of wash off any marks you get on it. So this is going to be great for the summertime when we go to the pool, to just grab my ID, grab a credit card in case we want to order lunch, and that's all I need. And this is a $19.95 value. So again, everything in this particular box, I feel like was priced well. And last, by Dime Optics, are some aviator sunglasses. All right, so there we go. Oh, I like these. I'm not usually big into the aviator glasses, but these I do like, probably because when I'm looking at them in here, they're more of a purple, and I love purple. Yeah. All right, I am a fan of those. They're reflective, and I'm going to be sporting these very soon. And that's a $30 value. Okay, so that is my curated box. Let me know your thoughts. Do you think this was a pretty well put together box? Did they get with that endless summer theme that they had? I kind of feel like they did. I feel like these are very summer appropriate items. We have the tanning butter. We have that tray, which is going to be great from Memorial Day all the way through to Labor Day, as far as having not just the blue of the ocean in the summertime for me in the sky, but to do those red, white, and blue themes without committing to, here's my red, white, and blue tray, you know, I got to put it away after Labor Day, or I got to put it away after Memorial Day and take it back out for 4th of July. Like, I can leave that out the whole time, and it's not necessarily going to be a specific holiday. Like, it's definitely a good kind of summer round. I mean, you could use it outside the summer too. It's blue and white. I mean, whatever you like. ID case, that was very usable for the summer. Sunglasses, great for the summer. That pitcher, also great for the summer. Although, I don't know, I'm going to give Chloe the option with that if she wants to break into it early to make lemonades or whatever with it. But that is primarily for her. All right, well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.